Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today we will explore electrical and safety system design projects for hotels and understand how power distribution, emergency preparedness, and fire protection layouts are drafted with precision to ensure guest safety and smooth operations. Introduction to Electrical and Safety Design. Let's begin with an introduction to electrical and safety design in hotels. Electrical systems provide power for everything from lighting and elevators to kitchens and guest amenities. Safety systems protect both guests and staff by monitoring risks and providing response mechanisms. Emergency preparedness ensures that the hotel continues to function even during blackouts, fires, or disasters. Integration with other building services guarantees smooth operations across departments. Electrical and safety designs form the backbone of reliable hospitality engineering. They demand both technical accuracy and compliance with codes. They require careful coordination with architectural and mechanical teams. They play a key role in energy efficiency. They ensure the hotel meets both comfort and safety expectations. They are a foundation for successful hospitality projects. Understanding hotel substations. Let's now understand hotel substations. Substations manage power received from utility providers. They distribute electricity throughout the property at usable voltages. Transformers step down high voltage into levels safe for hotel systems. Switchgear controls and protects power distribution. Substations are designed to maintain continuous power at all times. They prevent outages that could disrupt operations. They support critical infrastructure like elevators, kitchens, and chillers. They reduce risk by isolating faults. They must be designed with redundancy to ensure uninterrupted service. They form the heart of electrical reliability in hotels. Purpose of single-line diagrams. Let's now look at the purpose of single-line diagrams or SLDs. These diagrams simplify the representation of power flow. They use standardized symbols to show transformers, switchgear, and distribution panels. They remove unnecessary complexity while retaining clarity. They are a universal tool used by electrical engineers. They help in troubleshooting faults by showing power paths. They allow quick tracing of circuits during outages. They are used for both design and maintenance. They ensure compliance with international standards. They give a bird's-eye view of how power is distributed. They make hotel electrical systems easy to understand and manage. Drafting a hotel substation SLD. Let's discuss drafting a hotel substation SLD. The process begins with identifying all power sources and feeders. Switchgear connections are represented clearly. Backup systems such as generators are integrated into the diagram. Automatic transfer switches are included for emergency response. All components are labeled consistently. Drafts are organized to avoid confusion. Engineers review these diagrams for completeness. They act as reliable references during installation. They are used by inspectors to verify safety compliance. They provide long-term documentation for hotel operations. Emergency power systems. Let's now focus on emergency power systems. Hotels use diesel or natural gas generators for backup supply. UPS systems protect sensitive equipment from even short outages. Automatic changeover switches detect loss of utility power. These switches seamlessly transfer load to generators. Emergency power circuits prioritize critical areas such as elevators, fire pumps, and emergency lighting. Systems are designed to handle limited capacity without disruption. Emergency power is essential for safety and guest confidence. It ensures continued operation of vital functions. It supports both short-term and long-term resilience. It is a key element in hotel electrical design. Firefighting layout basics. Let's examine the basics of firefighting layouts. Sprinkler networks show head positions and piping routes. Hydrant systems are located for maximum coverage. Fire pumps provide pressure to the system. Alarm integration links sprinklers with control panels. Layouts are drafted to ensure code compliance. They must cover every occupied area of the hotel. They include zoning for easier management. They show how water is supplied and distributed. They reduce risks of fire spreading uncontrollably. They are vital for guest safety and asset protection. Fire alarm system drafting. Let's now discuss fire alarm system drafting. Detectors and manual call points are placed throughout the hotel. Control panels are positioned in strategic locations. Audible alarms and strobes are shown on layouts. Integration with evacuation routes ensures safe guest movement. Diagrams indicate wiring and control paths. Systems must comply with fire codes and response times. Layouts ensure quick identification of faults. They allow engineers to test alarm devices systematically. They provide clarity for contractors during installation. Fire alarm layouts are essential for hotel safety compliance. Drainage and sanitation layouts. Let's now look at drainage and sanitation layouts. Greywater and blackwater systems are separated for compliance. Inspection chambers and traps are shown for access. Vent pipes maintain pressure balance in the system. Disposal systems include recycling and treatment options. Layouts ensure that waste handling does not affect hotel hygiene. They reduce risk of blockages and odor. They allow regular maintenance through clear access points. They must comply with health and environmental codes. They protect both guests and staff from contamination. They are critical to smooth hotel operations. Safety code compliance. Let's focus on safety code compliance. Electrical systems must follow national and international standards. Fire protection designs follow NFPA codes and local fire laws. Sanitation systems meet environmental and health regulations. Codes specify sprinkler density and alarm response times. They set requirements for evacuation procedures. Compliance ensures guest safety at all times. It protects the hotel from legal penalties. It assures inspectors that the systems are reliable. It supports consistent design practices across projects. It forms the legal and technical foundation of safe hospitality. CAD drafting of SLDs. Let's now discuss CAD drafting of SLDs. Layers are used to organize drawing elements. Symbols follow standardized electrical conventions. Color codes indicate different voltage levels. Integration ensures that files align with architectural and mechanical drawings. Clear naming conventions avoid confusion. Drafting is reviewed for precision and compliance. Digital tools improve speed and accuracy. They simplify corrections and revisions. They enable collaboration among different teams. CAD ensures professional quality in electrical drawings. CAD drafting of fire systems. Let's explore CAD drafting of fire systems. Sprinkler heads are placed with exact coverage areas. Pipe routing is shown with layers for main and branch lines. Alarm devices are mapped in detail. Standardized legends explain all notations. Layouts integrate with architectural files. Dimensions ensure proper installation. Color conventions highlight zones and circuits. Consistency across drawings reduces errors. Engineers use these layouts for planning and inspections. CAD makes fire system drafting precise and reliable. Case study hotel substation SLD. Let's examine a case study of a hotel substation SLD. The diagram shows feeders distributing power across the property. It highlights transformers stepping down voltages. It shows integration with backup generators. It demonstrates how automatic transfer switches operate. It emphasizes clarity in labels and components. It reflects professional drafting standards. It provides practical reference for students and engineers. It highlights real-world challenges and solutions. It validates the importance of accuracy in documentation. Case studies make theory practical and relevant. Case study: fire fighting layout. Let's now review a case study of fire fighting layouts. The plan shows sprinkler zoning and coverage. It includes hydrant room design with pumps and controllers. It highlights primary and jockey pump specifications. It demonstrates compliance with NFPA requirements. It shows water supply and distribution details. It validates code adherence in design. It emphasizes the importance of safety margins. It provides an example of professional engineering practice. It links design theory with real hotel applications. It proves that safety is built through planning and precision. Integrating electrical and safety systems. Let's now consider integration of electrical and safety systems. Substations are linked to fire alarms and monitoring systems. Emergency power circuits supply fire pumps and critical loads. UPS systems power emergency lighting and controls. Drainage pumps rely on backup feeds during crises. Integration ensures all systems function during emergencies. It reduces downtime and disruption to hotel operations. It provides resilience against multiple risks. It improves guest confidence and trust. It ensures regulatory compliance under stress. Integration is the foundation of safe and reliable hotels. Student lab practice. Let's now look at student lab practice. Students draft complete substation SLDs. They create detailed layouts for fire and drainage systems. They apply correct symbols and layering. They compile schematics into a professional set. Lab practice simulates real engineering projects. It builds technical drafting skills. It reinforces knowledge of standards. It helps students work as engineering professionals. It creates confidence in delivering projects. Practical labs prepare future hospitality engineers for real-world challenges. Outcomes of electrical and safety project. Let's now review the outcomes of the electrical and safety project. Students gain the ability to draft accurate SLDs. They learn to create fire protection and drainage layouts. They develop competence in code compliance. They gain skills in producing full documentation for hotels. They strengthen understanding of electrical and safety integration. They acquire confidence in drafting software use. They link theory to practical applications. They build habits of precision and professionalism. They prepare for roles in hotel engineering projects. They become capable of delivering safe and efficient designs. Let's conclude by recognizing that electrical and safety design projects are vital for hotels to run safely and efficiently. Accurate drafting of substation diagrams, fire systems, and drainage layouts ensures both guest safety and reliable operations. Thank you for learning with us. Register on our LMS portal at HEGSDC.com, complete the course and download your certificate. Continue exploring more skill-based courses in hospitality engineering to strengthen your expertise.